I hope you guys are doing fine. I welcome you all to the day 22 of CA Inter Question Series, and today we have two essays. First is essay 570 going concern, and second is 580 that is written representation. So let's get started.
Question number 1 is management's assessment of the entity's ability to continue as a going concern involves making a judgment about inherently uncertain future outcomes of events or conditions. What are the relevant factors to that judgment? Factors that are relevant: first, degree of uncertainty associated with the outcome of an event or condition increases significantly the further into the future an event or condition or the outcome occurs. For that reason, most financial reporting frameworks that require an explicit management assessment specify the period for which management is required to take into account all available information. Second, size and complexity of the entity. The nature and condition of its business and the degree to which it is affected by external factors affect the judgment regarding the outcome of events or conditions. Third is, any judgment about the future is based on information available at that time at which the judgment is made. Subsequent events may result in outcomes that are inconsistent with judgments that were reasonable at the time they were made. Question number 2 is, give examples of financial events or conditions that individually or collectively may cast significant doubt on the entity's ability to continue as a going concern. Examples that may cast significant doubt on the entity's ability to continue as a going concern are net liability or net current liability position. Second, fixed term borrowings approaching maturity without realistic prospects of renewal or repayment, or excessive reliance on short term borrowings to finance long term assets. Third is indications of withdrawal of financial support by creditors. Negative operating cash flows indicated by historical or prospective financial statements. And last, adverse key financial ratios. Question number 3 is, the auditor of a company is having concerns about following of going concern basis of accounting followed by management for preparation of financial statements. It asks the management to justify preparation of financial statements. However, management is not willing to make its assessment and share with auditor. What are the implications for auditor's report in such a scenario? If management is unwilling to make or extend its assessment when requested to do so by the auditor shall consider the implications for the auditor's report. In such a situation, a qualified opinion or a disclaimer of opinion in the auditor's report as may be appropriate, because it may not be possible for the auditor to obtain sufficient appropriate audit evidence regarding management's use of going concern basis of accounting in the preparation of the financial statements. Question number 4 is, Akash and Associates are the statutory auditors of Deluxe Limited for the financial year 2021. During the course of audit, CA Akash, the engagement partner, requested the management of the company to provide written representation with respect to valuation of a transaction. The management, however, does not provide the same to CA Akash. What course of action should CA Akash follow in such situation? If the management of Deluxe Limited does not provide one or more of the requested written representations, CA Akash should first discuss the matter with management. Second, re-evaluate the integrity of management and evaluate the effect that this may have on the reliability of representations and audit evidence in general. And last, take appropriate actions including determining the possible effect on the opinion in the auditor's report in accordance with Essay 705. Last question is, the auditor P of PAR and Company, a firm of chartered accountants, is conducting audit of Kapoor Industries Limited. The auditor requests the management to provide banker's certificate in support of fixed deposits, whereas management provides only written representation on the matter. Discuss how would you deal as an auditor. Although written representations provide necessary audit evidence, but they do not provide sufficient appropriate audit evidence on their own about any of the matters to support other audit evidence to confirm certain matters or provided to the auditor written statement by management with which they deal. Furthermore, the fact that management has provided reliable written representations does not affect the nature or extent of other audit evidence that the auditor obtains about the fulfillment of management's responsibilities or about specific assertions. Applying the above to the given situation, the auditor would further request the management to provide him with the banker's certificate in support of FDs held by the company.
I hope you guys enjoyed and found this video helpful. Do write your thoughts in the comments below and I'll see you in the next video with new chapters and new questions. तब तक मेहनत करते रहें और आगे बढ़ते रहें.